Grand Rising, everyone. It's Shay Seeking, and welcome back. So, I just got back from going to the store getting a couple things before I leave, right? And I just noticed a lot of these bitches do want the tea on me. I'm just trying to figure out which one of these masculines have allowed these bitches in on my energy and in my motherfucking business. You know what I'm saying? We talking about begging ass, and I'm talking about these looking ass, nosy ass, stalking ass bitches that be on my motherfucking shit. These bitches that wouldn't have no job if it wasn't for my motherfucking story and other motherfuckers like me that's being stalked and targeted, okay, and having our finances fucked with, all right, by these people and whatever the fuck this is. You understand? So again, the reason is I think they're just irritated. They're watching me because whatever they're doing with these masculines is dealing with my fucking leftovers. Is what it really is. Unfortunately, but somewhat fortunately, it may be unfortunate for me to a certain extent, but this shit don't last forever. So people can have their fun, whatever the fuck they doing right now. Is obviously some masculines or something, maybe some feminines, maybe some couples that might be a little bit perturbed that they might look at me like I ain't got shit or whatever. But it don't take nothing but a second for me to turn my shit around. I'm actually going through the struggle just to see how far it'll take me. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, I'm going to continue to work on my shit and come up. Don't even worry. Because at the end of the day, motherfucker going to be on top. Regardless. You know what I'm saying? So again, it's cute. As cute. We talk about these succubus, boo-hag, energy ass bitches that be really thinking they cute. Because they got that. I think it bothers me because I feel like other females, these masculines do this too. They leave and leave them the fuck alone at some point. But I'm afraid to say that because they know who the fuck I am. They're going to be around for a very long time doing this childish, stupid shit. But at the end of the day, it can bother me really momentarily. But at the end of the day, I'm still doing me. And if it is somebody that's waiting on this masculine to leave, the motherfucker's still here. So I can't be upset about shit that I can't see. I can't be upset if these masculines was attached to somebody when they came into my life. I was definitely attached to somebody, okay? And the motherfucker ain't mine. All right? So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know about these people's lives. I don't know who all they got, you know what I'm saying, that they done came and took my energy and transferred my energy to activate these hoes in the build a bitch workshop. I can't tell you. It'll benefit them for a minute, but if the same kind of energy, then they're gonna bounce off that and bounce on to something else momentarily. It'll be another bitch that come. At the end of the day, they won't be the empress. They won't be the goat. They won't be the empress. So, like I said, a lot of these hoes will stay in page energy as messengers. They won't elevate in society. So I don't know. Like I said, some of them I plan on bringing on with me, but there's others that will remain where they are. Because and I feel like this is the energy. Somebody want to try to bring somebody in that got that same type of, I don't know, I guess the sword. The sword can be looked at as a mouthpiece. But at the end of the day, I don't have time, actually, to be checking for other hoes all the time. So I don't, like, really, when they put these girls in my energy and they want to make them competition, really, I don't even know who they are, where they are. Sometimes I randomly just, go past their page or something and figure out that they know a little bit too much about my life. You know what I'm saying? So I can tell these are the ones that actually probably watch you on a monitor. And then they just making a lot of money saying that they're psychic and they're really not. And then there's some that you can see that they go off energy. Okay? Because I said there's not that much psychic in the fucking world. So, and I feel apparently somebody had to come in here and do something to distort something in me so that I won't be able to recognize or like fully wreck shop on a hoe. Okay? And that's just it. At the end of the day, I have other streams of income. What I do here is a service that's public. I feel like it's a service to the people. It's something that I've been doing for a very long time, and I don't get any type of payment on it or anything, and I don't mind. It's something that I do for source that I feel only I can do when it comes to the word anyway, and a more elevated level of seeing. So Yeah, I feel like it's cute. I mean, 10 minutes, bitch. I mean, I can't have 30 minutes of what the fuck going on in my life. I can't have 30 minutes first. You know what I'm saying? To absorb what the fuck I'm going through or what the fuck happened. You know what I'm saying? Without hoes just ready to run to the internet and talk shit. Pathetic. It's really cute, but it's really fucking pathetic at the end of the day. So have fun. The shit won't last forever. Motherfuckers gonna be cursed. Motherfuckers gonna be in a hearse. We got bitches on here, and that's the thing. I don't know. I think that they be watching, you know, it's kind of embarrassing because, like, I'm thinking about what else is they watching? You know what I'm saying? I gotta, like, what the fuck? Do I gotta put a copyright on my motherfucking mouth, bitch, so you can't come over here seeing what the fuck I'm saying? A lot of these, I mean, some of these, I feel like some of these females be coming over here, they, you know, shit that I write about, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I don't say I write songs, they may be more poems or something of that sort. But, you know, it's like these bitches hovering over here trying to find verses and all kind of shit. It's like, what do you want? If it's not that important, why are you stalking me? Why are you watching me? Why? I don't understand. Because I'm not holding on to any of these masculine energies like that. Matter of fact, some of them I can't get the fuck rid of. So some of them sneak into my fucking energy, right? Just to say that they were there. And then start drama in the background and get mad because I didn't know that they were fucking there. It's real cute. So that's pretty much all I had to say. I don't have no cards or nothing. I just pulled back up to my house. But I'm just glad to see that these hoes watching. So I guess it means something. Take care.